In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the secure folder on your PC in just 5 minutes. Now, whether you're trying to locate a misplaced folder or simply ensuring your private information stays hidden from prying eyes, this step-by-step guide should make the process seamless and straightforward. So, let's dive right in and make those hidden folders visible on your Windows computer. The first thing you'll want to do is open the File Explorer. This is the gateway to navigate through all the files and folders on your computer. To do this quickly and efficiently, press the Windows key on your keyboard simultaneously with the E key. This keyboard shortcut is a great time saver and instantly opens up the File Explorer window for you. With File Explorer open, our next move takes us to the menu at the top. Look for the tab labeled View. This tab houses several options that allow you to customize how your files and folders are displayed. Click on View to reveal these options. It's here that we can change the visibility settings for hidden files. Now, within the View tab, keep an eye out for a group labeled Show. This section is crucial as it contains a checkbox marked Hidden Items. Checking this box is what allows any folders that have been hidden from view to become visible. So make sure to check Hidden Items. Doing this grants you the visibility to see those elusive folders that might be tucked away, out of sight, but not out of mind. Once you've done this, you should notice that some new icons appear. These are the hidden folders we just made visible, and you might see their icons appear somewhat transparent. The transparent icons indicate that these are indeed the hidden folders which we unlocked using the settings. And there you have it. Simply by following these steps, your secure folder should now be visible among your files. It's easy to access and interact with it just like any other folder on your computer. Remember that once you're done, especially if the folder contains sensitive information, you might want to hide it again. Just return to the View tab and uncheck the Hidden Items box to make it disappear from view once more, helping to maintain privacy and security. With these simple steps, you have effectively learned how to locate and reveal secure folders on your PC. This knowledge ensures that you maintain control over your file privacy and security effortlessly. We hope this guide has been helpful. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to check out more of our videos for additional tech tips and tricks.